In addition to their sweet flavor and satisfying crunch, carrots are packed with beta-carotene, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Here are the surprising health benefits of carrots you should know. From being a natural beauty food, promoting immune system, weight loss to healthy eyesight, and more, watch till the end to learn about all of them. 1. Boosts eye health. Are you or your child struggling with poor eyesight? Carrots to the rescue. Carrots have been regarded as the foolproof traditional remedy to improve eyesight. According to the book Healing Foods, carrots are rich in lutein and lycopene, which help maintain good eyesight and night vision. The high amount of vitamin A also helps boost a healthy eyesight. 2. Rich in calcium. Each 1/2 cup of carrots contains 24 milligrams of calcium, or 2.4% of an adult's daily calcium requirement. Calcium is essential for the growth, repair and maintenance of your bones and teeth. It is also vital for the function of your muscles and nerves. If your diet lacks adequate calcium, you may be more likely to develop osteoporosis, high blood pressure and severe premenstrual syndrome. Even if you eat enough calcium, your body may not be able to absorb and use it properly if you don't consume enough vitamin K and vitamin D. Eat vitamin K-rich foods like broccoli, asparagus, cabbage and spinach, as well as foods high in vitamin D like fatty fish and vitamin D-enriched dairy products. 3. Aids weight loss. If you are on a weight loss diet, your diet must include foods that are high on fiber, and carrots with both soluble and insoluble fibers perfectly fit the bill. Fiber takes the longest to digest and thus promotes a feeling of fullness and prevents you from binging on other fattening foods. 4. Dietary fiber. Carrots contain about 2 grams of fiber in each 1/2 cup, cooked serving. This amount is 8% of the dietary fiber needed by adults daily. Carrots are a good source of both soluble and insoluble fiber. According to Harvard University Health Services, a diet rich in soluble fiber can lessen the risk of high blood pressure and diabetes, while insoluble fiber can guard against digestive problems like constipation. A diet high in fiber may decrease your risk of cancer, high blood pressure and heart disease. 5. Helps in maintaining good digestive health. The significant amount of dietary fiber in carrots plays an important role in maintaining good digestive health. Carrots contain good amounts of fiber in them, which is not only effective in aiding the digestion, but also in clearing bowel movements effectively. Fiber is also beneficial in regulating the blood sugar levels and aids in weight loss too. 6. Fights cholesterol and boosts heart health. The high fiber quotient of carrots also boosts heart health, removing excess LDL cholesterol from the walls of arteries and blood vessels. According to the book, Healing Foods, by DK Publishing, carrots contains a form of calcium easily assimilated by the body that may help lower unhealthy LDL cholesterol levels. LDL stands for low-density lipoproteins. It is sometimes called the bad cholesterol because a high LDL level leads to a buildup of cholesterol in your arteries. 7. Lowers blood pressure. Along with lowering the levels of bad cholesterol, carrots are packed with potassium. Potassium helps relax the tension in your blood vessels and arteries, which enhances the blood flow circulation and brings down your elevated BP. High blood pressure is linked to conditions like atherosclerosis, strokes, and heart attacks. So load up on carrots for a step towards a healthier heart. 8. Boosts skin health. The juicy red wonders can help give your skin a radiant glow too. Apart from the beta-carotene, lutein and lycopene, the high silicon content of the root can promote healthy skin and nails. To make the most of its nutrition, have them raw. You would need to be eating about 20 to 50 milligrams of beta-carotenes per day for a few weeks to raise your levels enough to see skin discoloration, says Dr. Pilion. One medium carrot has about 4 milligrams of beta-carotene in it. So if you're eating 10 carrots a day for a few weeks, you could develop it. 9. Boosts immunity. Carrots are packed with various vitamins, minerals and antioxidants such as vitamins B6 and K, potassium, and phosphorus, which contribute to bone health, stronger nervous system and help improve brain power. The antioxidants, apart from helping the body against free radical damage, guard the body against harmful bacteria, viruses and inflammation. So what are you waiting for? Load up on carrots and make most of their health benefits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe for more upcoming videos.